From my right side, this lady is assistant professor and working with our university together in creating the new laboratory for blockchain. Can you please give us a short introduction and what they're going to do? Jelena.
Hi, so my name is Jelena and I'm assistant professor here, also master in blockchain technology. And as we said that we're going to transfer the university to give future to the next students, to give what is mandatory in the job market and especially in the technology right now. One of those things is the blockchain as well, which is thriving over and over. There is a Web3 space that it's already there. We just need to go in there with our country and our education. So I have prepared a small presentation just to introduce you what we're doing, what we're planning, and why this is so important. So we're trying to navigate the future. What is the rise of the blockchain and the Web3? So,
When the Greeks take, they don't give it back. It's a bad habit, right?
Yeah. So first, we're gonna see, these are some key takeaways that we'll see. So first, what is the blockchain technology? What means decentralized versus traditional financial systems? How we are evolving the internet from Web 1 to Web 2 to Web 3. Then what are the current trends in the blockchain and the Web 3? What is the trends and why it's important to have the blockchain and the Web 3 in the educational system? How the industries are transforming, what are the use cases, and of course, what is the cutting edge right now as a technology. So short introduction, these are the four most important things that made this technology possible. So the four key components are decentralization, so all the records there are kept simultaneously across multiple computers. Then it's immutability. Once a record is set, you cannot change it. When you make a change, it will just write a new record, but the old one will be still there. That gives us transparency because we can always see all the changes, everything that is written, every transaction that is made, everything is there publicly on the blockchain, visible by anyone. And the security, of course, that is encased with a lot of cryptographic hashes. So what is the decentralized versus the traditional financial systems? Like we have the most known Bitcoin and also the traditional finance. So according to this, again, 4 points, the transparency, the transaction speed, the accessibility, and the costs, we can see that we have high transparency, very fast transaction speeds, accessible throughout the whole world, and very low to even close to zero costs according to the traditional financial systems. How it all evolved. First, in the after the ARPANET, when we got the internet, then we started to use the Web 1.0, which is in the early 90s, still early 2000s, which is mostly read-only content on web pages and static web pages. So then we evolved, and we are still there in the Web 2, where we have all the social media, the YouTube, the streaming platforms, the interactive content, and you can see the icons of the most used apps. We use them every day. And now the Web 3, it's where we get decentralized, secured, transparent, and they're blockchain based. And these are some of the most important apps there, which is emerging, already settled few years back, set in stone. There are already a lot of organizations, even governments, opening their DAOs, making the apps, and so on. So what are the current trends? First, in the job market, there is a growing demand in the blockchain for developers, for smart contract experts, and for Web3 security specialists. Then we have educational institutions, which are, of course, increasing the incorporation of blockchain and cryptocurrency courses. And we have the development sector. which is striving to use the blockchain for transparent and, of course, for efficient way to distribute, to make digital identities, to secure voting systems, and so on. We'll see more use cases later. So these are the four main things why blockchain and Web3 are essential in the education. So first we need to, our students need to be prepared for the future and what it demands. Then we need to promote innovation if you want to stay there in the top of the industry trends. Also building foundation for more future technological developments and, of course, ethical and social implications so we can educate them how to use this type of technology responsibly as well as any other technology that it's used so far. There are a lot of use cases. There are just few. So we have like finance, banking, real estate, gaming, education, healthcare. So we can be used in almost any sector. There are a lot of use cases and they have all different approaches to it. So the cutting edge is there are a lot of technological advances, a lot of scaling solutions, privacy enhancements and cross-chain interoperability, a lot of market trends, so the expansion of NFTs, you've heard all of that. Of course, growth in the DeFi, which is decentralized finance, and the emergence of the Web3 social media platforms, and of course, the IT management consultation, which here we have all the regulatory preparation and developments, adoption into the traditional sectors, the government institutions, the intersection with virtual, augmented reality, and of course with AI. So what is important when I'm thankful to work at this kind of university, which is always looking forward in a way how to transform and to have the option to teach the students, to teach the students what is most important right now, what is most important by the market job, what is the cutting edge technology right now, not just in the blockchain, but also we will hear my colleague about AI, also cybersecurity and all of the courses we have, also preparing a lot of laboratories for that, for the needs of our future students. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you, Elena. Yeah, you mentioned it very good. We want to teach